He told the courtroom he had done nothing wrong. And let's speak a bit more about what unfolded with Mark Perelman. He is our French politics reporter, and he's there for us at the courthouse. Mark, Sarkozy pretty defiant, it sounds like, in court today. What can you tell us about what he said?
Yes, for those who forgot that Nicolas Sarkozy is a political fighter, well, he proved that today in court. During 3 hours, he answered the question from the president of the court about this illegal financing accusation against him. He basically said that he was the president at the time. He was running to be re-elected, and so he had no time to waste in dealing with the nuts and bolts of a political campaign, that he was not in charge of organizing events. And he said, could you imagine Charles de Gaulle or Jacques Chirac signing off on invoices? Well, I didn't have the time to do this, so there was a scheme that was demonstrated that his campaign essentially spent twice the legal limit, but he said he wasn't aware of it, and the accusations are not that he was actually behind this, but that he should have known about it because he was the ultimate beneficiary of this campaign. He said there was no proof whatsoever that he had done anything wrong. He was busy with the campaign. He was hoping to be re-elected, and this will be his line of defense until the very end. And so we had 3 hours of a Nicolas Sarkozy show today at the Paris courthouse.
Now, Mark, Nicolas Sarkozy was already convicted earlier this year in a separate case. What could happen to him if this case doesn't go his way?
Well, clearly he was already sentenced to 3 years in jail, 1 year being a firm jail sentence for much graver charges, corruption and influence peddling just a few weeks ago. And he's appealing that verdict, but this was the biggest stain for him on his reputation so far. Right now, the charges he's facing is illegal financing of a 2012 campaign. He could face a maximum of 1 year in jail. This would be superseded by the previous sentence I just spoke about. But nevertheless, this is the second time he's in court, and he said that he's spending a lot of time trying to clear his image, clear his reputation. He has other legal cases pending against him. So clearly Nicolas Sarkozy is fighting tooth and nail to make sure that he's not convicted, not only in court, but also in the court of public opinion. Clearly, he realizes that his political career is probably behind him, but he wants to make sure that he's not stained by accusations of corruption, influence peddling, or illegal financing.